Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with the Day 1 fire weather and severe weather outlooks. Anyway, we have a chance for isolated dry thunderstorms today across portions of central Arizona. Dry thunderstorms are thunderstorms that thunder and lightning occur without precipitation because the precipitation is evaporating before reaching the ground due to dry air. So, anyway, this is basically thunder and lightning without the precipitation reaching the ground. So, in that case, if the ground is dry, a lightning strike to the ground could cause a fire, and the ground is dry in these areas. So, anyway, there could be some lightning-induced fires that begin. So, anyway, synopsis. Fire weather concerns will be focused across parts of central and eastern Arizona this afternoon, though more local concerns may emerge across portions of Oregon. So, anyway, a mixture of wet and dry thunderstorms is expected again this afternoon along the Mogollon Rim. An evening 00Z sounding from ABQ sampled a very deep dry boundary layer along with steep mid-level lapse rates and PWAT values near 0.5 inch. This dry but weakly buoyant thermodynamic environment on the northern fringe of the deeper monsoonal moisture yielded a mix of wet and dry thunderstorms across the region yesterday. Similar conditions are likely today and should pose a fire weather concern over areas with receptive fuels. Dry thunderstorms are possible further east into western New Mexico, but recent rainfall and improved fuels should mitigate the fire risk. In Oregon, a weak mid-level wave is noted in early morning water vapor imagery off the Pacific Northwest coast. This feature will migrate east through the day and overspread the Cascades through peak heating. The associated westerly mid-level flow will not be overly strong, but will still induce a downslope flow regime on the eastern slopes of the Cascades. Compressional heating and drying, coupled with peak heating and full insulation, will promote relative humidity reductions between 10 to 20%. Sustained winds between 10 to 15 miles per hour appear most probable based on latest ensemble consensus, but gusts between 20 to 25 miles per hour, especially wind-prone locations within the terrain, are possible. So, that's your Day 1 fire weather outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in these areas today. Be aware of any fires that start, and if I were you, I would put together supplies in a container, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, toiletries, extra batteries, a cell phone, phone chargers, money, and the battery power radio for your journey if you need to evacuate on a moment's notice. So try to get together those supplies in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice. So that's your Day 1 fire weather outlook. So now to the Day 1 severe weather outlook. So anyway, we have two marginals today. One marginal today covers southeastern Arizona and southwestern New Mexico. And a second marginal today covers east central Illinois, and central and northeastern Wisconsin, most of Michigan, the northern half of Indiana, and northwestern Ohio. Cities in today's marginals include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Tucson, Arizona, Toledo, Ohio, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. Now to today's tornado threat. There is no tornado threat. There is no tornado threat for today. So that's good news. Going to the wind for today. There are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today. One covering southeastern Arizona and southwestern New Mexico. And the second 5% today covers central and northeastern Wisconsin, east central Illinois, most of Michigan, the northern half of Indiana, and northwestern Ohio. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Tucson, Arizona, Toledo, Ohio, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. And now to the hail threat for today. There is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing portions of central and northeastern Wisconsin and the central part of the UP of Michigan. Alright? Cities in the 5% hail risk area today include Green Bay, Wisconsin, Appleton, Wisconsin, Oshkosh, Wisconsin, Neenah, Wisconsin, and Stevens Point, Wisconsin. So, in summary, strong to occasionally severe thunderstorms may impact parts of the upper Great Lakes and Midwest today, with both damaging winds and hail possible. Gusty winds may also occur over southeast Arizona and southwest New Mexico. So, that's your day one outlook for severe weather. So anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even though they're just marginals, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms. And I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon, and I will have my day 2 fire weather outlook this evening. Take care.